have a Panasonic V7325 vacuum cleaner. This is a bag vacuum for $10 at the thrift store. It's way too dirty for me though. It's in a really sorry state, but it's awesome in the same way. I mean, it is very cool, and I'm going to be doing a little test with this today. It's been a while since I've done a vacuum test. All the way back, I didn't even do a vacuum test. It was of that Hoover Floor-matic. But this is a little bit cooler than a Hoover, so it's got the light. Let's get vacuuming. Okay, let's get vacuuming. There's a big thing of dirt, and it sucks it right up. That's just great. There's a bunch of cars and dust and stuff. There's just a bunch of pictures at a thrift store, so I can't do a pocket test on the floor they have here. So, here we go at computer testing. You can go under, not really go under furniture. Yeah, not really. It can't really go under furniture. It has a HEPA filter, which is nice. But yeah, let's turn it off a second because I have to move this cord to get through this way. Again, move this way. Okay, it's got just a little push button thing. Let's do a quick test here. We're gonna have it suck up something. So we're gonna use this. Okay. And this has got the latch thing on it. This is an older style. So I'm just gonna hold this between my legs because in one hand I'm holding this. And see those pieces down there? Okay, so let's put this nozzle back and do some even further testing. So that's going to be it for today with the nozzle. And by the way, I'm not getting this vacuum, like I said earlier, because it's in pretty much a sorry state. I say it's well used. That also means it's it's got its long share of use, and I hope it goes to someone who can use it if they can, or someone who's good at restoring these types of things so they can clean it up and make it into a nice cleaner. Because this thing can be nice if it works. I mean, it does work, and it works pretty well. Probably needs a new bag ASAP, but yeah, someone's gonna buy it for $10. It's actually a pretty nice vacuum cleaner, but like you said, the sorry state. And some more vacuuming test starts now. But we're out of cord, basically. sadly, we're basically out of cord, as you can see down there, so. But this works excellent. It actually does work great. It's, here's the HEPA things. Here's it explains the HEPA filter, and I just love that big Panasonic branding, as well as it's wonderfully stating the model number. Here's the tag, and stuff. Let's see what this latch does. You can hook up a secondary hose, I guess, back there if you unlatch that. And then here's a little tool. It has this tool and then this stick type of tool, but those are the only tools it really has, which is okay. That's to be expected. This is taped over, so I guess this cover could fall off or something, but awesome vacuum yet again. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Thank you.